Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Capricorn placements. Okay, this is your maikling love reading lang and this is timeless. Okay, so let's see ano bang meron. Pero syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga nangyayari pa lang. And syempre po, no, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga items, so yan, yung evil eye protection, yung ating love bracelet, si grantor necklace, yung taga-grant, and cord cut. So yes, message lang po. Okay. So, let's see. Capricorn. Capricorn placements. The person on your mind. Yan. Sino ba yan? Anong meron sa kanya? The person on Capricorn's mind. Who is this? The Three of Cups in reversed. And could be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. The Ten of Swords. Sinaktan ka na itong taong to, Capricorn. Binackstab ka. Oo. Cheater. Okay. Pwedeng binlock mo or binlock ka na ng taong to. Some of you, akala mo, love na love ka niya. Nakaw. Yes. Specific. Iba sa inyo. Ito hindi to para sa lahat. Ipinagpalit ka nito sa kaibigan mo. Yeah. Specific po yun hindi yun para sa lahat. Pero in general, pinagpalit ka nito sa iba. Akala mo love ka. Di mo pala alam na ang dami ng nakatarak sa'yo sa likod. Sa likod mo. So, anong situation? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon ngayon, Capricorn? The Six of Swords in reversed. And the Ace of Wands in reversed. Mahirap alisan. Oo. The Three of Swords. Some of you pwedeng kung magka-connect pa, masasabi kong no label. Pwedeng sex base, yung iba sa inyo. Third party. May third party involved. Itong taong to Capricorn, kung meron namang separation, meron din ako nakikita, kinukuha ko lang lahat meron din ako nakukuha sa kanya na kahit siya ay third party mo, gusto pa rin niyang bumalik sa'yo kahit walang label. Yes, kahit walang label, Capricorn, basta nandyan ka. Yeah. So, the Ace of Wands in reverse, sabihin natin walang nangyayaring progress dito. The Six of Swords in reverse, walang nangyayaring maganda. Walang idudulot na maganda. Itong taong to or itong connection na to sa inyo, Capricorn. Walang idudulot po na maganda. Parang ibablock mo yung sarili mo sa mga blessings rin if ever kung kukonek ka sa taong to. Or pwedeng ganun rin siya pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, ano emotion niya right now? Emotion. Yeah, see, the Wheel of Fortune in reversed. Hindi maganda. Okay? Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Pero itong taong to, pakiramdam niya lahat na wala sa kanya. Feeling niya lahat na wala sa kanya. Bakit? Ten of Wands in reversed. Hindi niya kayang i-drop to. Alam mo, sa sarili nitong taong to, alam nyo, Alam niya na kailangan niya tong i-surrender, kailangan niya na tong i-drop, alisin, pero hindi niya kaya. Nahihirapan tong taong to. Some of you, you're in a karmic connection. This is karmic. Lessons, ang dami. Dapat nakikita nyo na to. Nakikita mo na, Capricorn, at dapat nakikita na rin ng person. Kaya mahirap alisan, mahirap layuan, mahirap itigil. This is karmic. Hanggat hindi nakikita or nakukuha yung lesson dito sa connection na to, mahirap talagang alisan. Mahirap talagang tapusin. Okay? So, let's see. What is their next action? Feeling ng taong to, ang daming nawala talaga. Ang daming nasayang. What is their next action towards you, Capricorn? The Four of Swords. Thinking of you. Yeah, they're thinking of you. May mga marirealize itong taong to. Yeah, the Page of Swords. Thinking of you, stalking, spying, keeping tabs on you. They're watching you. Could be a Cancer. Okay. Itong taong to, marami siyang gustong malaman sa'yo. Some of them, they're crying. May mga binabasa tong mga mensahe na pwedeng yung mga napag-usapan nyo noon, parang binabasa niya muli yun, binabasa niya paulit-ulit, something like that. May ganun siya na ginagawa. Parang hindi ka naman talaga makakarinig from them, hindi sila magme-message, no reaching out na pwedeng gawin itong person na to. Just like, sabihin nating pag-ano lang, pag-i-stalk, parang ganyan. So, may chance ba na mag-reach out if ever? May chance ba na mag-reach out kung sakali? Kasi nag-i-stalk to. Ngayong wala kaya. Pinakita, Page of Pentacles na naka-reverse, meaning it's a no. Let's see. Death. No, it's a no. Hahayaan lang niya to. Okay? So, anong outcome nyo, Capricorn? Diba sa inyo na may connection, situationship, or maybe sabihin nating sex-based na situation with this person? Ang nakukuha kong next action ito is to drop you. Yeah, to drop you. Itigil itong connection na to. Bigla na lang. Opo. Okay? So, anong outcome? The Star in reversed. Pwedeng magbibigay ito sa'yo ng sabihin natin maraming scar, no? Sa'yo. Yes, na pwedeng magsisilbing, sabihin nating mga alaala, paalala, na ganito, ganyan. So, gawin yung lesson. Okay, this is, a karmic connection. Matindi. Oo. So, meaning to say, kung nangyari na tong ganito, dapat alam mo na next. Dapat hindi na, kung mangyari man itong ganito, alam mo na kung anong gagawin. Like that. Alam mo na kung paano mo susolusyonan yung mga bagay-bagay ba. Okay? Yeah, the Emperor. Learn from your mistakes. Learning from mistakes, learning from failures. Ito yan. Okay? Yes, hindi maganda, hindi okay. Sa pakiramdam to, parang feeling mo wala nang patutunguhan whatsoever. Yeah. Huwag ka rin manghihinayang, iba sa inyo. Iba sa inyo nanghihinayang kasi pwedeng nag-invest rin dito sa connection na to. Don't be. Kasi unat-una pa lang naman, gusto naman natin yon, no? So, kung tayo ay inalisan, ginawa naman natin lahat, wala na tayong problem doon. Okay? Ang may problem na lang is maybe the situation or the person. Okay? Yeah, Temperance. Sabihin natin, ibalik mo na lang muli lahat-lahat sa sarili mo yung mga energy na itinapon mo sa sitwasyon na to. Okay? So, yeah. Typical reading ng isang karmic connection. Ito yun, ha, Capricorn? So, just be the emperor. Muli, you're the emperor. Yeah. Alam mo how to manage. Di po ba? Hindi lang tayo sa pera nagmamanage. Diba? Oo. So, everything, kailangan mag-heal. Kailangan may mabago. Marami. Okay? Huwag nyo hahayaan na parang naging connection lang to. Kung kayo ay nag-end na, huwag nyo hayaan na parang parte na lang yun ng aking past. So, lahat ng nangyari, lahat ng lesson na kailangan mong makuha or maintindihan, mas maganda na parang i-apply mo yun sa sarili mo. Okay? So, there. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries, they want communication. They want clarity. Taurus, they want to communicate. Gemini, they like you. Coming forward. Cancer, they still feel you, like energetically, maybe emotionally, spiritually, something like that. They felt a strong connection with you. Feeling a strong connection. Leo, pride, ego. Some of them, meron silang mga kailangang sabihin, gawin, pero mas pinapangunahan yung mga pagmamatigas. Excuse me. Virgo, blockages. Some of you, they want to communicate, pero parang there's this blockages in general. Libra, feeling nito parang nasayang yung love for you or vice versa. Scorpio, they're guarded, pero they're feeling a strong connection with you. Yeah, physically attracted. Some of you have to put, sabihin natin, an arm's distance. Keep an arm's distance from this Scorpio. Sagittarius, the liar. They're keeping secrets or maybe lies. They're being deceptive, sneaky. Capricorn, there's this energy about separation. Somebody wants to reach out, pero wala eh. Wala akong nakukuha dito. There's this big drama. Aquarius, they're being, sabihin nating, silent. They're healing actually. Yeah. Pisces, a waste of time. A time waster. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Capricorn placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page, and yung atin nating, second YouTube channel na Love Letter. So, nasa description box below, yung atin pong link. Thank you. Goodbye.